No wonder why people love getting their packages from Guidroz Family Farm. Little stamp there. So freaking cute. Oh my goodness. Just awesome. I love it. Every angle. You got stickers. It's so special. Let's see what's in this baby, shall we? Aww. Oh, yay. You guys, this is just so special. Come on now. Thank you. Thank you too. So awesome. Then you get your little card you can fill out here. Cool. Nice little notes on how to incubate your eggs. Freebies! Ah! So adorable. You guys, you're the best. Oh my gosh. And a little bee. Oh, you guys are so sweet. And you make everything special. I am so thankful for you guys. Christina and Aaron. Oh, Lordy. Look at that. Look at how precious and gorgeous and beautiful. Tonky says, yep. Yes. Getting them going here. Oh, I'm so happy, you guys. Take these. Put them over here. Oh, they're so pretty. They're like freaking pearls, you guys. Look at that. All right. And then on the bottom, I have my jumbo mix. Nana. You guys, thank you. Blessings to you. You make everything special and worthwhile. Thank you for your time and the community. You guys step it up. Thank you to Guidroz Family Farm. So here's my little freebie. This is so cute. This little leaf with quail eggshells in it. I love it, you guys. I'm gonna sport this around and people be like, what is that? And I'll be like, that is quails. Ever heard of thems? Yep. Whole new discussion just by wearing this. No, thank you guys. Like, you make it so special for anybody who receives your eggs. I know you guys are always there, always in touch. And I myself, as a small business owner, am super happy to support you and y'all on your journey. And thanks for supporting me on mine. So I had to step it up myself. It is nearly spring, especially here in Northern California. Just got to set up my new quail rails and my new little giant setup. And I would actually recommend buying the kit with the turner, and then you can just buy the quail rails. It's cheaper. I am not just saying this because I value Guidroz Family Farm and who they are, but these are the most gorgeous Celadon eggs I've ever seen in my 4+ years of raising quail. These are just one word, spectacular. Thank you. So I forgot and didn't take it into consideration the fact that I did get the jumbo eggs, so I had to stagger them with the lovely Celadon here a little bit. But that's okay. That's not a bad problem to have. Once again, thank you, Guidroz Family Farm. You the best.